Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to solve a worksheet for lecture 2. I'm going to start now by the first exercise where we need to list the first 5 multiples of 9. So we start 9 times 1, 9, 9 times 2, 18, 9 times 3, 27, 9 times 4, 36, and 9 times 5, 45. The same thing we are going to do for 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. And 3 times 5, 15. The same thing in 5. 5 times 1. So the multiples are 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. And the multiples of 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3, 21, 28, and 35. So now the multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. Let us now do question number 2. They asked us, are multiples of 4 always even, and explain. Well, yes, all the multiples of 4 are even because 4 is an even number and the multiples of even are always even numbers. Now, are the multiples of 3 always odd, and explain. No. Why? Because the multiple of odd numbers, 3 is an odd number. The multiple of odd numbers can be odd or even, because when you multiply an odd number by even number, suppose I'm multiplying, for example, 3 times 2, you would get an even number, which is 6. So not all the multiples of odd numbers are odd. Now in this question we need to list the multiples of 8 that are less than 50. So the multiples of 8, 8 times 1, 8, 8 times 2, 16, and so on. So the multiples are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and 48. Now the multiples of, or I need to write 23 between two consecutive multiples of 8. So what's the multiple of 8 which is just before 23? And the multiple of 8 which is after 23. So 23 it's between 16 and 24. Now find two multiples of 6 between 40 and 50. It's 42, 6 times 7, 42, and 6 times 8, 48. In question number 4, we are asked to circle the numbers that are multiple of 3. So the multiples of 3 are 120 and 210 and 270. Because, for example, 30 times 4 is 120, 30 times 7 is 210, and 30 times 9 is 270. Now circle the numbers that are multiple of 70, and the multiples of 70 are 210, 490, 140, and 630. And question number 5, I'm a multiple of 7 and I'm between 50 and 100. My tens digit is odd. Who could I be? The multiples of 7 that are between 50 and 100 are 77. We also have the first multiple is 63, but 63, the tens digit is not odd. We have 70, of course the tens digit is odd. You can write 70 or 71, 77 or 91. Those are the numbers where their tens digit is odd. You can choose any one of them. Now I'm a multiple of 13. I have 2 digits and I'm an odd number, also a multiple of 5. Who could I be? It's 65 because 13 times 5 is 65.